Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are utilizing our WRD Pro 6 handling cups as well as the handle extensions. You can see the green tape I just grabbed right there. I'm using that to actually mark where my handles are on the sides of the vehicle. And that will give me an alignment point for when we set the glass back in place. We did use step stools so we could see up onto the roof as well. Sadly, I did not get any shots of that. I've only got 2 cameras and was trying to get the best angle on these. But you can see how much easier it is to lift this out and then set it down on the rack without having to stretch your arms out over the top of the vehicle or have a scaffold set up. And you simply just lift from the sides, and it doesn't require any real stretching, and you can just bring the glass down and set it onto the rack, and then you are ready to shoot your glue. And then once you are done shooting your glue, it is just in reverse, and again does not require any hard stretching or lengthy stretching, so you're not straining any muscles. You can just lift it straight up. You can see we stepped up onto our step stools there just to make sure we were good on the left to right. We don't want to be too close to those body rails. Excuse me. So here's another angle here where we are bringing the glass just up onto the roof. We shot the body rather than the glass, and then simply just drop it in place. Make sure your alignment marks are there, and then get it all set and deck it down. Simple as that. Those extension handles are an awesome addition to setting sunroofs and moonroofs. It definitely alleviates that stress on your arms and your back, and definitely a great addition. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching.